making a cookie show. A cooking show. This is take 3. Need bread, butter, a toaster, cinnamon sugar. You set the toaster to the floor. You get your bread out, then you rub butter over it, and now I'm gonna do that. Ew. Look, done. I'm gonna take your cinnamon sugar. I don't know if you can see it, but the sprinkle thing. Then you shake it. Boom. Hey Jack, wanna try the cinnamon toast? Yeah, try it. I've had this many times before. I think Jack. No, actually bite the cinnamon. Come on, Jack.
Yummy.
I'll do it. ASMR. And we're out. Jack. Hey, Jack, do a flip. I think he's gonna do a flip. Do a flip. Yeah, Jack, don't worry. I'll hold it for you. I'll hold it. I'll hold your camera. No? Okay. Do a flip. Do a flip. It's gonna do a flip. Come on, do it. So I am gonna edit that. Wow, that looked awesome. And now, time for the TV. Don't sue me. That was it. Well, that concludes our first daily vlog. Bye. Oh wait, one more thing. He wants to do another flip. Do it. Come on, do it. Okay, now we're done. Bye.